One of the easiest ways of making money online is affiliate marketing. I am pretty sure you must have heard of it from your friend or your neighbor. Now let's go straight to the point. If you follow the steps in this video correctly and watch it till the end, then you should be able to earn at least $50 daily. All you gotta do is listen attentively. And check the description box for the website mentioned in the video. Open your browser and type in selar.co, then sign up if you haven't signed up yet. Selar.co is an affiliate site that pays you handsomely when someone buys your affiliate products through the selar link. There are so many currencies available, and it also supports PayPal payment method for those in the USA. I have left a link in the description for you to sign up, but do not forget to subscribe to M channel at the end of this video. Once you have created the account and logged in, click on Add Product and fill in the necessary information. All that is left to do is to copy the product link and paste it either in your description box or your social media handles. You can add a product by clicking on Digital Products. With this option you can create ebooks, blueprints. You can also do webinars and upload your courses, but in order to do that you have to upgrade to Selar Pro to unlock more features. You can give this video a like at the end if you enjoyed the video and gained something from it. Eve left a link in the description to my YouTube growth blueprint that I used to grow my other channel to 2,000 subscribers and thousands of views in just some few months. Comment below if you need any explanation or guidance. Share my videos to your friends, families, and people that you think might need my services. I am gonna give a shout out to whoever shares the most in the comment section. All you have to do is share and stand a chance to get a free shout out. I am gonna be making a video on how I earned $1,000 just by writing articles for free. You don't believe me, right? I would advise that you subscribe and turn on notifications for my new videos so you don't miss out on the gist. If you haven't heard yet, I left a link in the description to my YouTube growth formula that costs only $5. So thanks for watching and God bless you all.